What's going on internet? My name is Ojo Easy. In this video I'll show you how to fix apt-get install or apt-get updates not working in Kali Linux. Okay, if you've just installed Kali Linux in VirtualBox and tried running the commands apt-get install or apt-get update or apt-get upgrade, anything using the apt-get command, and you find that it's not working, don't worry, in this video I have the quick solution for you or in this post as well. But first of all, we're gonna be sure that this is not our internet connection. Quickly open a terminal and ping at google.com. If your result is similar to what I have on this screenshot right here, then you know your internet connection is okay. Otherwise, fix that here using the instructions found in this post. Okay, moving on. So this was the error I was getting when I tried to do an update in my newly installed Kali Linux virtual machine, and after a little digging up, I found out that I was having an empty Kali Linux sources.list repository file. And to fix that, I just put in this code right here. You can see the sources.list file empty. I'll just put in this code right here like this, and that basically fixed my issue. I could not do an update. So right now I'm going to copy this code and show you exactly how that works in a machine that has that error. Alright, first off, I'm going to do an apt update to show you that in fact I have this error, and now I'm going to fix it. And nano/etc/apt/sources.list, enter. At the bottom of this file, I'm going to Ctrl+Shift+V to paste that code right there. In your case, you might not be able to paste this address because if you do not have VirtualBox, what is it called, VirtualBox guest editions, which gives you full screen mode like this and the capability to do copy and paste, you won't be able to paste this. You can just type this in word for word exactly, and this will fix your issue. Okay, to exit, I'm going to press Ctrl+X, then Y for yes, and enter to confirm. And I'm going to do an update again to show you that this has worked. Alright, as you can see, that is working. I fixed apt-get install not working in Kali Linux in 2019. Okay, I'll stop that here. And alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If this has worked for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.